Hey guys, Derek here from Modern Castle. The Roomba i3 Plus is a smart robot vacuum with a self-empty dustbin at a relatively lower price point. How well did it perform in our cleaning tests? Let's go ahead and find out now. Let's start with our cleaning results for the i3 Plus. At Modern Castle, we test each vacuum on 3 different floor types and against 4 different debris types. On hardwood floors, the i3 was able to remove 99% of all debris we tested against. The test results on both low and high pile carpet were identical, with the i3 again removing 99% of all debris by weight on both low and high carpets. The i3's rubber brush rolls and high suction power offer an impressive level of cleaning that we've scarcely seen. To date, of the 50 robot vacuums we've tested, only 4 have achieved an average score of 99%, including the Roomba S9 Plus, i7 Plus, E5, and now the i3 Plus. Welcome the newest member, Roomba i3 Plus. The i3's design is similar to other Roomba models, most notably the i7. One major aesthetic difference on the i3 is the textured top face. It is a central clean button on top with home and spot clean buttons. On the underside, you can see the dual rubberized brush rolls, spinning side brush, and 3 wheels. The i3 is available as a standard i3 and i3 Plus. The difference between these two is that the i3 Plus includes a self-empty dustbin, while the i3 includes the standard charging base. The self-emptying dustbin makes the i3 Plus more convenient. When the i3 Plus returns to the clean base, it will automatically empty the contents of the onboard dustbin. The i3 is 13.3 inches in diameter and 3.6 inches tall. It weighs 7.4 pounds. The clean base and dustbin for the i3 Plus is 19 inches tall and 12.2 inches wide, and it sticks out 15.1 inches from the wall. The i3 includes a standard charging base instead of the self-emptying dustbin on the i3 Plus. The accessories and parts included with the Roomba i3 Plus are the clean base, spinning side brush, 2 HEPA filters, and 2 dirt disposal bags. The i3 and i3 Plus do not include the virtual wall barrier, which comes with some other Roomba models. However, you can purchase a standalone virtual wall barrier. The Roomba i3 includes spinning side brush, HEPA filters, and standard charger. It does not include the self-empty dustbin or dirt disposal bags.
Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the i3.
As far as usability and navigation are concerned, the i3 Plus has some important differences compared to the more advanced i7 Plus. The i7 Plus includes custom cleaning control, keep out zones, and selective room cleaning. These are all features that are omitted on the i3 Plus. Other than that, both the i7 and i3 have the same suction power, runtime, scheduled cleaning, smartphone integration, recharge and resume, and the ability to integrate with iRobot's Brava mops. For navigation, the Roomba i3 Plus has systematic navigation with enabled digital maps. Users can view the cleaning path of the Roomba using the smartphone app. This mapping system is more basic than the mapping available on the i7. The i3 can't save the maps for future use, and it cannot use those maps for more customized cleaning routines. The i3 offers scheduled cleanings through the iRobot app. Users can schedule recurring days and times or schedule one-time cleanings. The i3 is not able to do selective room cleaning, so with the scheduled time, it will clean the entire floor. In addition, the iRobot app recently rolled out what they are calling iRobot Genius. Genius includes a number of automated and AI-driven features that help to improve usability. Roomba's S9 Plus, i7 Plus, and Brava M6 take the most advantage of these new automated features. However, the i3 Plus can create personalized scheduling and seasonal suggestions based on how you use the i3 and how it interacts with your home. If you like this video, don't like, don't subscribe, don't comment, don't share, do not reblog, no retweets, and whatever you do, do not smash that like button. So, is the Roomba i3 Plus a good value? The i3 Plus comes at a lower price compared to the high-end Roomba models like the i7 Plus and S9 Plus. Despite the lower price, it still includes a self-emptying dustbin and provides excellent cleaning performance. It's missing some of the more advanced navigational features, keep-out zones, and specific named room cleaning, but the cost is considerably lower. While the i3 Plus doesn't include all the bells and whistles, it includes the most important functionality feature, which is raw cleaning power. The i3 Plus's cleaning performance was identical to what we experienced on the more expensive i7 Plus and S9 Plus. I recommend the Roomba i3 Plus if you want a self-emptying dustbin. The clean base can hold up to 30 loads of debris, so the user won't have to worry about emptying it as often. I also recommend the Roomba i3 Plus if you want excellent cleaning performance. The i3 Plus performed as well as the i7 Plus and S9 Plus on our cleaning tests. And finally, I recommend the Roomba i3 Plus if you want a great value. It includes digital mapping, exceptional cleaning, and convenient features. Combine those with a mid-range price, and this Roomba gives an excellent value for the price. Well guys, that is it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. For comments or questions, please drop us those notes down below. If you have a Roomba, let us know in the comments what you think of it. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Roomba i3 or i3 Plus. For more from Modern Castle, get subscribed, ring that bell, and visit us over at moderncastle.com. As always, thank you so much for watching. Roomba i3 Plus. Welcome to the Hall of Champions. Roomba i3 Plus. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the Hall of Champions. You have proven yourself worthy. You have proven yourself a hero. You have proven yourself suck. Check the link in the description if you're interested in buying the Roomba i3 Plus. Damn it, Tibbs, why?